Hello, welcome to Chart Vision Vietnam. So today is the Saturday after the market closure, and I just want to make a quick video to analyze the market and see where we can find our edge for the upcoming week. So hope everybody's doing okay. Hope everybody had their good week last week. We did see a couple rally, right? Of course, starting with DXY. Last week was just a bullish week for DXY, right? So with that, we did see with EU that price was just making structural lows, right? While gold would keep on pushing up because the dollar the dollar is still even though the dollar is moving up. I think the whole sentiment is still going to be bearish. The government is still in it's shut down 8 days, and there are foregoing a lot of the federal workers. I want to make another video as far as information with the government shutting down and what's the impact. I think fundamentally we should look into that to really have a bigger scope of the economy right now. And then another big news is that Nvidia Tech is selling $1 billion to. So the U.S. government approved for the sale of the micro chips to AU, right? The contract's worth of billions of dollars. I just want to see how the conversion of dollars is going to be coming up to such event. Because as you know, like the stronger the dollar, like the more buying power that it will have. But essentially, we are still bearish, right? With our structure range, right? So we're still here, right? Even though we did sweep this low, right? Create this high, and in turn we have this bullish engulfing, right? So price did come back to test it for the upside. So again, this trend is present, right? But not until we push up here. Before I would say there's going to be a reversal or any reversal or anything of that kind. So I'm still thinking that for this week or coming up week, we're going to see that transition, but overall be mindful that we are still in this bearish leg, right? So what's that going to do with the EU? So of course we're going to continue this trend up. So EU before I go there, if we zoom out, you see the bigger picture, right? Yeah, the momentum of, look at the momentum, right? We did have a break of structure here, and also the sweep the high and took out the low, right? So we have to be mindful that the range is still in play, right? So don't discount the fact just because we have a smaller time frame. Look at that, the whole bigger picture, right? So be mindful of that. EU is about the same, right? What do we see? We still have this trending up. Again, we're right. So this week gave us that sweep for that retracement, but I think Again, continuing the order flow right here, right? What did we say about order flow? Like this week order flow, price will come back and take that out. So eventually, what's going to happen? Maybe we'll just follow through with this self move, and then we're going to continue, just like gold. That's just like dollar, right? We're still going to go with this narrative. So um, continue in pro trend, right? But this pullback has been um, pretty much crazy, right? And to me, immediately it started somewhere well, for me per se was this. I want to point out this price inefficiency area right here, right? Price inefficiency create the sweep, right? Internal, external sweep, give us this um, this move down, right? And then structurally, we were still um, bearish, even though right here we did have a sweep, right? We failed to take out this low, but that gave us a reaction to the upside, right? Because of that internal sweep, okay? But I would be very mindful, right, around this area, even this area up here. And with gold, so gold has been printing, you know, green candles, right? Even though we have, we came to all-time high last week, and the news came out that people are just taking some profit, right? Or we're still continuing to push back up higher, right? But what do we see here? We see inefficient field right here, right? So we're waiting for that sweep, right, to test this and then to go higher. So the whole narrative with gold is still going to be pretty much, going up. 4 hours. Yeah. So we did, get this big push down, right? But again, that's just buyers, right, taking profit, right? But this move is not too significant, right? It's, let me see how much. So this move is not, about $109. It's not nowhere significant to this longer trend that we are currently experiencing, right? But this could be the first indication, right, that price is willing to go lower. So we did have that, this internal sweep, right, for it to to go down, right? So we have two areas, one right here, one right here, right? So what do you guys think? Yeah, if it's better that we look at it on a higher time frame. So again, it's still bullish. We do see, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did see that there's a little break out here, right? And then for the next, I don't know, month or so, it just keep on going up. But yeah, overall, right? I don't see anything except for this price inefficiency gap. So maybe we're gonna come back and then do a sweep here for price to go lower or up. But the whole sentiment is still gonna be bullish. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we do see order flow right here. I don't know why my eyes are just trained better just to see this because I don't know. But pro trend wise, we're still gonna go. We're still thinking that it's gonna go up, but I mean we do have a couple points on the EU, way down here, even further down, further down here. So it all depends on the market structure and price range where we're going to be and how exhausting the if any the market is going to be. If it needs more fuel, then it's probably going to go up and then trying to push down a little lower. But the whole sentiment with the U.S. economy, I mean, it's I think once they're open again, I mean, people will be buying dollar, strongly pushing it up. But eventually, maybe this just probably wick out, um, and then you know we'll continue that range. So I hope this help. Be mindful, be consistent, and hope you guys are having a great weekend. And looking forward to make another video for you guys coming up. All right, thank you.